Hello guys, new problem idea for secondary 2. Maybe it's hard, yes, but the idea is very nice. The problem is sine square 5 plus sine square 10 plus sine square 15 up to sine square 90 equals 7 and a half, 8 and a half, 9 and a half, 10 and a half. Choose one of them, A, B, C or D. First of all, notice that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on till 19. This forms an arithmetic sequence with first term A equals 5, common difference D equals 5, and last term L equals 90. So number of terms must be N equals L minus A over D plus 1. By substitution, it's 90 minus 5 over 5 plus 1. It's 19 terms. We have 19 terms here. Moreover, the middle term will be 10 T9, it's 45, and term number 10, it's 50. Okay guys, let's go. Let's write sine square 5, sine square 10, sine square 15 up to sine square 45. This is the initial step. We have, by the way, 3 steps. So we have now 9 terms, and completing the sequence starting from sine square 90, sine square 85 till sine square 50, but writing them from bottom to top. Okay, 90, 50, 60 and so on. These are another 9 terms also. And now the middle step starts. I have to write sine square, the first column as it is, starting from sine square 5 up to sine square 45, but here sine square 45 is half, and by using some modification for the second column, instead of sine square 90 I wrote its value, it's 1, and other elements I will use the identity, the VIP trigonometry identity, sine 90 minus A equals cosine A. So I changed it, sine square 85, sine square sine square 85 to cosine square 5, because 5 and 85 are complementary angles with some 90 degrees. Also for sine square 80, okay, it's cosine square 10 now. Same for sine square 15, it's cosine square 15 and so on. And now guys, we have 2 columns, okay, in red color. First of all, 8 arrows, each arrow value is 1. For example, here the first arrow for sine square plus cosine square, it's 1, it's a rule. Also second arrow for sine square 10 plus cosine square 10, go down till sine square 40 plus cosine square 40, it's 1. Notice we have the half of sine 45, and we have also above the 1. It is the sine of 90. And now we have 8 arrows equals 8 plus 1 plus half. And here, guys, we can say the final step is here. We have 8 arrows. Each arrow is 1. So please write 8 plus 1. It is the sine 90 as I told you. Plus half. It is the sine square 45. The total sum will be 9.5. This is the final step. It's not hard problem as usual, okay, but I hope you have got it and understand it. Wish you all good luck and see you next video.